Hello, Primary 5 students. On behalf of AMS English Department, I would like to welcome you today. I'm Ms. Zainab Surur. How are you doing? I hope that you're doing well. In today's video, we are going to cover the review of tenses, covering the present simple, present continuous, and past simple tense. So, are we ready? Here we go. Let's start by the simple present tense. We use the simple present tense to talk about facts and routines. Here are some examples. In the affirmative form, we say, Salma is a member of the WWF. She likes animals. In the negative form, we can say, it isn't just for grown-ups. In the question form, we can say, do you belong to any organizations that help the planet? The answer will be either by yes I do or no I don't. Now let's move to the present continuous. We use the present continuous to talk about things that are happening now. In the affirmative form, we can say, we are writing an article for our newspaper about the WWF. In the negative form, we can say, I'm not raising money, I'm helping people find out about this organization. In the question form, we can say, are they trying to help animals all over the world? The answer will be by either yes, they are, or no, they aren't. Finally, the simple past. We use the simple past to talk about things that are finished. So in the affirmative form, we can say, I joined the WWF in 2011. In the negative form, we can say, it didn't have a lot of members at start. In the question form, we can say, did your friends join as well? The answer will either be by yes, they did, or no, they didn't. Now let's cover some of the exercises in booklet A. So here we go. Exercise B. Circle the correct answer. Number 1. Salma joined in 2011. She's still a member. So she belongs or is belonging to the WWF. That's correct. She belongs to the WWF. Number 2. She is busy. She usually writes or is writing emails every month to tell the WWF about her wildlife campaigns at school. Usually is one of the keywords for the present simple tense. So she usually writes. That's correct. Okay. Number 3. She always visits or are visiting their school garden. Usually is a keyword for the present simple tense. That's correct. So the correct answer here will be she usually writes. Number 3, they always visit or are visiting their school garden. That's correct. They always visit their school garden. Today, Salma and her friends are in the school garden. They don't dig or aren't digging the earth. Correct answer is aren't digging the earth. Number 5. They aren't drawing or don't draw pictures at the moment. They are taking photos of the school garden. At the moment is one of the keywords for the present continuous tense. So the correct answer is aren't drawing. They've held or are holding campaigns to protect the tigers. They are holding campaigns to protect the tigers. Number 7. Right now, they work or are working to protect the rainforests. Now, they are working to protect the rainforests. Salma doesn't think or isn't thinking the WWF will publish her photos, but it does. She is very happy. So Salma doesn't think the WWF will publish her photos. Now let's move to the next exercise. Exercise C. Listen and read. Complete the sentences using simple past, and then we are going to fill in the blanks using the simple past tense of the verbs between brackets. Question. Where did Breaded Vulture live? The answer is in the past. Breaded Vulture lived in the Alps, which are a range of mountains in southern Europe. So what is the past tense of live? Yes, the correct answer is lived. Correct answer is lived. Here we go. Question: did they live in South America too? The answer is no, not live there. So if we are going to use the simple past and we are going to form a negative sentence, so we are going to use did not live. So did not live. Didn't plus the infinitive. When did they die out in the Alps? In 1913, humans killed the last breeded vulture in the Alps. So what is the past tense of kill? That's correct. Killed. Did people kill the vultures by accident? The answer is unfortunately, people not kill the birds by accident. People hunted the birds with guns and poison. So what is the past tense? Didn't kill. Now let's move to the next exercise. Change the sentences into questions. In this exercise, we are going to form questions using the same tense. Number 1 is already answered for us. You sell copies of the school newspaper. So when we form a question, we're going to say, do you sell copies of the school newspaper? Number 2, it helps everyone learn about the WWF. So we're going to ask a question by saying, does it help everyone learn about the WWF? Number 3, do you learn about animals in the wild? So if we're going to form a question, we're going to say, do they learn about animals in the wild? Number 4 is already answered for us. The WWF is working in many different countries. So the question will be, is the WWF working in many different countries? This is a yes or no question. Number 5, it is protecting animals all over the world. So when we form a question, we are going to say, is it protecting animals all over the world? Number 6, Salma is writing a report for her school newspaper. So we're going to ask a question saying, is Salma writing a report for her school newspaper? Number 7, Azur took some photos, and it's already answered for us over here. Did Azur take some photos? So we're going to ask question in the simple past tense. Number 8, Adol wrote an email. So if we're going to ask a question, we're going to say, did Adol write an email? Number 9, they went to the school garden. If we're going to ask a question, we're going to say, did they go to the school garden? Now we've came to the end of today's video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. See you soon. Wait for other videos. Take care and bye.